Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be looking at how to update your Valeton GP200 software and firmware to version 1.5.0. Let's get started. So if you don't know where to get each of the listed items, the firmware, software, and then the manual, you can click the spanner icon again and then head over to the help section. So you see view the manual, download the firmware, download the software. When you click any of them, it will take you right to the specific page that you need to download what you need. So over here I'll click Valeton GP200. So that is the software. I'm using a Mac, so I'll go with Mac. If you are running Windows, you use the WIN. The firmware is just straightforward. So and then you download the version 1.5.0. So what I'm going to install is the software first. So I'll click continue. I will show you the changes that they added. I agree, then install again. So it will ask for your password if you're on Mac. I'll keep it for now. Let me click this and see. Very good. So we have version 1.5.0 installed on my PC now. So let me see. If you want to know exactly what they added, just unzip the firmware and click the GP200 firmware release notes. It will show you everything. So on the DST side, the DST block, you see these are the changes that they added. And then they added a dual delay as well. We'll try them out. So next, let's go ahead and upload the firmware on the board. So we'll click firmware update. Click this to look for the update. Yeah. So it is it. I'll click update now. Continue. So it will install or copy the files of the firmware to the board, and this is how it's going to look like on your board. So wait for it to finish. And there we have it. Now we've been able to update both the firmware and then the software. So let's quickly go over some of the changes that they added. First, they added they said they added, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 distortion effects to the DST block. So this the first one. This is my signal chain. You can pause and then like copy, redo what's there already. Okay, so aside the Empire OD, there is Revolt, and also there is Base Hammer, and then the Flagman Dist. So this is how each of them sounds like. So I'm using the matchless chieftain clean channel. So this the Flagman. The Revolt. And then the bass hammer is for like bass players, so it's going to sound like something like this. So if you play bass, I think this would be good for hammering. I think the slap bass, yeah. And then for the delay channel, they added a dual delay, so now we can have multiple time signatures on our delay. So over here you realize I'm using a quarter delay and then an eighth delay, so it has A and then a B section, and then these two buttons like let you switch between either the time or the time signature, same as the I'll take my time and do a separate video on the delays. So I'm going to tell so that I can have a little bit of trail when I play. I'll change this to dotted 8, then I'll use this. Let me change my record channel to this so that I can capture the drum machine. Now I want to use the drum machine to record something small. I'll do. Let me create a new channel right here and then record from that side. I'm recording stereo. And then the last effect they added was the amp spring. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.